Kaspa holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support day in, day out. So, let's waste no more time and take a look at, what's happening with Kaspa and, of course, what we could be expecting, going into Monday morning. Everyone that's in the U.S., of course, there is a long weekend. Those are things that, we need to factor in. But as far as, the price of, the broader market is concerned, we're starting to see the market, pick up over the course of the last few hours because, Bitcoin has seen a bounce, which, of course, is nice to see. So pretty much everything seems to be in green right now. Yes, some coins are down a little bit still. If you're looking at Kaspa, it's one of those coins still down a little bit, about 0.1% in USD and about 1.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the price, 10.7 cents, valuation 2.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $61 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always to your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So dominance is picking up. Dominance is not showing any signs of slowing down, something, we've discussed over the course of the last few days. So that's that as far as the dominance is concerned. And of course, as Bitcoin is breaking out, obviously we would expect that, dominance is going to show strength. And that's exactly what's happening right now. So, of course, that is something that I want you guys to keep in mind. But if you're looking at BTC right now, Bitcoin is pushing up to $110,000. You guys can see for yourself. We do have the previous all-time high resistance coming in the way, as we could see for ourselves. And of course, if this resistance is able to break out, which we are actually breaking out of right now, I would not be surprised if tomorrow we actually do retest the all-time high once again. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it's looking amazing right now, pretty much on the verge of yet again breaking a new all-time high. But if you're looking at Kaspa right now, it still has not made its way back above the key resistance. The reason why I would think that is because, of course, dominance has pretty much stayed stagnant, and of course, increased. Actually, I wouldn't say stagnant. And of course, Bitcoin, on the other hand, saw a move towards the upside, and usually you would expect altcoins to go up with it quite a bit, which some coins are doing. But in terms of going like double digits up, that's not happening right now across the board. And a lot of coins are not reacting in a positive way in terms of seeing 5-6% move. Yes, some are, but not all of them. So of course, that is something that we need to keep in mind. And yes, we're still finding ourselves below that major key resistance. If you are new to the channel, you guys might not know this, but this resistance is such an important level for Kaspa to stay above. Of course, we're finding a little bit of a hard time below it because of course the 24-hour trading volume decreased as well. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. We did see a retest a few days back, of course, where we actually got rejected. But we want to see this resistance turning into support, and then after that, we could actually start pushing up to the higher time frame. So far so good. We're still in this upward trend. Yes, we're seeing a little bit of choppy levels really happening for the price of Kaspa, but in the grand scheme of things, take a zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture rather than the shorter picture, because of course, in the hourly time frame, you could see we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance, but really understand how far it has come in just a short span of time. So far so good. Very, very important to stay above this key resistance. Keep a very close eye on BTC and the dominance. Maybe we do come knocking on the door tomorrow for this key resistance. Again, if you want to put this into perspective, it's only a 4% move from where we currently are. A little bit of a downside maybe for the dominance, and if Bitcoin holds its strength, I think we make our way back above quite fast. But let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.